When I sing in te reo, it opens up a part of my soul that hasn't been touched before. Why would I not want to pursue that? When they first told me that they wanted me to perform at the Matariki concert, I was like, potentially wrong person. I was a little scared, apprehensive of singing in te reo in front of a crowd when I am fair-skinned. I would always refer to myself as half. My best friend, Natalie, she would tell me off. She was like, you're Māori, Holly. And I'm like, my dad's white and my mum's Māori. She's like, but you're Māori. She's like, it doesn't matter if it's this much. I came back to Aotearoa wanting to reconnect with my home after living overseas for 15 years. I wanted to come back for 3-4 months and then go back to LA. But doors started opening up for me here. I just want to stay. When you live overseas for that long, it becomes tricky to connect with your culture. Wanting to reclaim and start writing songs in te reo, it is tricky, it is hard, but it's worth it. My motto in life is do it scared. You don't have to take that fear away, you just do it anyway. This is one of my most favourite photos of her, I think. What, she got like pulp platforms on or something?
Platforms, leather pants. I mean, this is back in the 90s.
She's so cool.
Yeah.
So cool. Singing in te reo automatically connects me to my mum, Kiriata, who passed away around about 11 years ago. Coming back to search for that reconnection was something so important to me. She started getting these intense headaches when we were living in London. We took her to hospital. They found out she had a brain tumour that was cancerous. They had to operate on her that night to save her life. The doctors gave her a year to 18 months from that first surgery, and we had her for 3 years.
Mum always encouraged you, didn't she? Right from the start.
Yeah.
You know? And I think she'd be really proud of the fact that you're back to your Māori roots as well. You know, we were away for a long time, weren't we? 15 years. Mum would certainly be very proud of the fact that you're recording songs in te reo Māori, and that's huge. And yeah.
Come here. Come here.
Tēnā koutou, matariki ki Waikato. What a beautiful turnout today.
Hamilton was the last place that me and my mum and my dad lived before moving to London. It felt very surreal. I knew it would be special, but performing for your hometown, you can't actually put words to it.
Put your hands together for YAHYAH!
To get on stage and to really feel like my mum was there with me, it was beautiful. I felt like she was shining down on me. I would definitely say to anyone else wanting to search for their place in their culture and the language, to literally just go for it. There is no one timeline, there is no one way. If you want to pursue te reo, it's for you.